Today, I'm going to teach you the fastest way to automatically add CRT effects to your music videos inside of After Effects using the best AI plugin. Let's go. What's up, guys? My name is Devin Wynn. Welcome to 11% Tutorials. We got this new plugin right here from Pelle. Shout out to Pelle. He's been doing some insane CRT effects recently, and he made this new plugin that basically encompasses all of his CRT effects and makes it super easy to apply. So a year ago, I did a review on some of his effects, and now we have this new plugin from him that we can literally just use to apply these exact high quality CRT effects in just a click of a button. Let's see how it works. So first up, open up After Effects. Once you download the plugin, you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click CRT Effects. Now this works best when you pre-comp your footage. So we're going to select everything right here, and then we're just going to go ahead and pre-comp it using the Clutch plugin actually. So now that we have our footage pre-comped, you can see I have some like very basic text effects that I already added beforehand. You don't have to have text, but we're just using it for this example. So I'm gonna go ahead and crop this down so that's the exact length. And now we can go ahead and look through some of these effects. So it looks like he's divided this. You can add your own favorites. Let's start with all effects. Oh, I see. If you add a favorite, it just stars it. Let's go ahead and see some of these. Which one looks cool? And then let's go ahead and see some of these. Which one looks cool? Let's start with this one, Chromatic CRT Glitch V2. So once I click on this, it looks like I select it. And then once I select my pre-comp, I hit apply and boom. Wow, that is cool. That actually looks really good, honestly. The fact that it's created in just a click of a button is pretty helpful. I would actually prefer that my footage is less bright. So let me go ahead and search for a Lumetri color effect and then apply that to my bottom clip. It looks like it's working off of adjustment layers. So if I turn off this adjustment layer, it looks like I can, yeah, wow, that's cool. That's cool that it's all on one adjustment layer, wow. And then I could go to my Lumetri color, which I just applied to my bass clip. I'm gonna turn down the exposure just so that it's less bright because this effect is pretty bright. And now you can see we can basically kind of adjust the amount of this CRT effect using the Lumetri color panels. That is looking pretty crazy. We're in third quality still because it's kind of a heavy effect, but this is what it looks like in full quality. You zoom in, you can see like individual pixels of all the CRT effects. It's honestly really cool. So let's go ahead and try something else. There's a bunch of different other templates in here though. We're gonna start, maybe let's try this one, Color Core CRT Glitch. Apply, boom. Another CRT effect instantly created. This one looks a little bit crazier. Maybe I should just do everything on full just for this example. Yeah, this one looks good. I don't know, what do you guys think? Changing this back to third quality, let's go ahead and apply some other ones in here. I'm really looking for something with like a flicker. Let's do this flicker one because I want it to like be pretty hardcore with the effects. So we're gonna select this one, hit apply, and boom. You can see how this plugin works really easy. This one looks like it's scaled up a little bit. I think my clip is a little bit too dark for this one. I'm gonna increase the exposure just a bit. Yeah, crazy. Let me know what you guys think so far. Would you use this plugin? Would you find this helpful for your workflow? He honestly really stacked this. Like, I don't even know if I could go over all of these effects in just this one tutorial. This one's like a matrix one. My favorite one is probably at the beginning. Oh, it looks like there's also some other ones in here that require Sapphire. So Sapphire is like another third-party plugin, and you can basically use these other presets if you have Sapphire installed. I have Sapphire installed. Funny thing is, I actually met Boris IRL. He's the creator of Sapphire. He's actually a really cool guy. He still makes plugins to this day. Really check out Sapphire if you can. This is crazy. I think this is crazy, the fact that we can create all these CRT effects in just one click without having to do Venetian blinds and the effect stack. And you can see all these effects that are already automatically added in this adjustment layer. It looks like we got toner, curves. Like, you'd have to manually do all this and adjust all these settings yourself if you wanted to recreate these from scratch. And I think the fact that I can just click a button and it gets instantly applied is pretty insane. The more effects that you add to this, I think the better it looks. I would go ahead and do like maybe like a flash. Let's zoom in and do Command-Shift-D to split this layer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and scale this clip up just so it's a little bit larger so it fits full screen. Boom. I think it's cool if you like, yeah, I think it looks so much better if you just add like a quick like jump to it. And maybe if we can add like a camera shake effect as well. I'm gonna create a new adjustment layer by hitting Shift A, that's my hotkey. And then I'm gonna search for some camera shake effects. Let's search for a camera shake. I've linked to this free camera shake preset down below in the description if you wanna check it out. And we're gonna apply this right here. We're gonna apply this camera shake right here to the adjustment layer, just like this. And boom, now you can see we have a camera shake hit effect that just goes into the CRT effect because it is lagging a bit on my screen. But let me know what you guys think so far. This is looking really crazy. I've linked to this plugin down below. Now regarding price, yes, this is a paid plugin, but I think if you're creating a lot of CRT effects often, and if you're a music video editor, maybe you're looking for some new effects and you just want to quickly find a way that you can load in a bunch of effects, this is a great plugin to test out. Link to it below in the description. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions or comments, now if you want to learn how you can automatically edit your content like TikToks, YouTubes, podcasts, etc. using Claude AI directly inside of Premiere Pro, then you can check out this video linked right here.